Hi there. Today I'm gonna clean my skids, so I thought I'd show you how I do it. Normally I don't clean my bearings very often unless they are in the rain or sand. So cleaning the bearings not only makes skating more enjoyable, but it also prolongs the lifespan of the bearings. So before we start, here is the list of items required. The important ones are the ATF auto transmission fluid, which I got it from Caltex or any petrol station, and silicone spray lubricant from a hardware store. We start by unscrewing all the bolts with a wrench or Allen key and arranging the wheels in exact sequence. So depending on your skids, you might need one or two Allen keys. They should come with your skids when you purchase them. But if you can't find them or misplace them, you can always use those from IKEA. So be careful not to lose any parts, as we will be needing them later on. After removing the wheels, we can also rotate the wheels. I have attached the photo on how I do my wheel rotation. Rotating the wheels actually even out the wear patterns and extend the lifespan of your wheels. And skating on uneven wear wheels is rather uncomfortable, and also it's not safe. So the general rule is that you want the larger wheels at the back of your skids. We can then wipe down the skids with a moist cloth, but for my case I'm just too lazy to do it. Next, we can remove the bearings from the wheels. So the easier way is by using a wheel tool, which you can get from the skate shop. But since I do not have the tool, I'll just pry it open with my wrench tool. The bearings can be quite difficult to remove sometimes, so just be careful and not to slip and force the wrench into your palm. So after removing the bearings from the wheels, you may also clean the wheels too. Once again, I'm too lazy to do it. After removing the rubber shoe, we need a container to soak the bearings. I wanted to use this plastic bottle at first, but unfortunately the bearings don't fit, so I changed to a plastic container instead. I pour the ATF till all my bearings are covered, and then I shake the container to get rid of any dirt. So though it may be tempting to shake like a bartender for additional style points, I suggest not doing so, as if you shake it too hard or too aggressive, the individual ball bearings might fall apart, and if they do fall apart, you will have a hard time putting them back together. After shaking and soaking the bearings for a little while, we can then remove and dry them with a paper towel or any cloth. We will then apply a coat of bearing oil, or for my case the silicone spray lubricant. I don't recommend using WD-40 as it makes the bearing very noisy after that. After applying the lubricant, we give the bearings a few spins to make sure the lubricant is evenly distributed, and then we replace the rubber shoe back on. So now the bearings are clean and we can assemble everything back. Thank you for watching, and I hope the video is helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you have any other question. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye.